Greetings, fellow productivity seekers. I'm Garland, Coulson, Captain Time, and I want to talk to you today about artificial intelligence. I've been using AI a lot in my productivity workflows, and the results have been amazing. So I've now added my first AI member to my team. Meet Pathfinder, our amazing new goal-setting AI assistant that will help you set your goals and achieve them. So this is Pathfinder. I'll put the link in the description below. When you first sign up, you'll just need to log in with an ID and a password, and this is entirely free. And then what you do is you just tell Pathfinder about a goal you'd really like to achieve. If you want, there's a few other questions you can ask Pathfinder down here, but I'm just going to start by saying a goal I'd like to do. So I would like to write and publish a fiction novel. And then I just hit send, and Pathfinder will give me some ideas on how to do this. So it's fantastic. You know, writing a novel is a rewarding endeavor. Here's some smart goals to get started. So starting by deciding your genre, theme, the core theme of your novel. Is it going to be fantasy, mystery, romance? Outline your novel, create a detailed outline, set daily, weekly writing targets, word counts that you can set. So it's creating SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and of course, time-bound. So it's giving you all of these here, to set these in these cases. And there might be part of this that, now it's coming down with how to make this more specific. So will you write a 70,000 word fantasy novel? You're going to write 1,000 words per day. You're going to set aside 2 hours each morning for writing. Or you will complete the first draft in 6 months. So that's one example. Here's another example. I'm going to say I would like to run a productivity training retreat for my clients. How much? I would like to run a productivity retreat for my clients. Let's go here. And once again, it's giving me the what skills and knowledge do I want the clients to gain? Time management, goal setting, digital productivity tools, who's the target audience, location, duration, participant goals, how many do we want at the retreat, budget, and revenue, feedback metrics, resource allocation, developing a marketing plan, aligning with business goals, etc. So as you can see, it's just a great tool to help you set these. Few other options here. If we go up here, you can see your chat history by clicking on this, and it will show your most recent history. If you click here, you can share the chat, so you can copy this chat session. So you want to copy it and then put it in your notes program. You can also start a brand new chat here if you want to have a brand new one. And of course, you can log out here. And down here, you can upload files or images if you want to include them, to have Pathfinder look at them. So give Pathfinder a try. Let us know what you think and how we can make it better, because we're continually adjusting it. Thanks so much for listening. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed this, so that others can find this.